Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're at this home. We haven't been here in a long time, and all they really wanted was the top here done. It's the only thing that was really green. It wasn't, but you know, from what they're saying, there is. But we also did the gutter. Now, this is one of the reasons why I don't like doing partial services, and I'm going to have to show you the reason why. When somebody says, "All I need, my gutter's done," hey, you call another company. Is when we sprayed this gutter, because it was all green. Of course, it was going to get some spray on anyway, so we might as well spray it because we're spraying the area above it. But look what it did. So, right there is, let's see if I can show you. Clean, dirty. And right here is where, you know, the wind and stuff brought the bleach to clean these type things. And these type things. So that's spotty, and that just goes to show you one of the reasons why I do not like doing partial services. And this was kind of unusual, but like I told her, it's like you need the whole thing done next year, and not just that, because I can show her where the mold and mildew on the vinyl or the metal and stuff is beginning to build. So that's why I don't like doing partial services, because you do that, and you do the gutter, and you let it drip all down here, and it just makes it look like crap, makes your job look like crap, and I hate that. That's annoying. But anyway, that's why we don't. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.